guys, welcome to Shop Dust. Today I'm going to be making a 6-inch blast gate. Didn't feel like waiting to order one and waiting for it to arrive, so I just made one. I like to use the scroll saw for this kind of cut. The flat table, small blade, and ability to cut tight circles just makes it easier, but a jigsaw will work too. I cut on the inside of my line and sand up to it for that perfect fit. That perfect fit that I was talking about earlier. Using some 5-minute epoxy here to secure the duct to the plywood, applying it all around the first ½ inch of the ducting and spinning it around for full coverage. Just giving this a little sanding after the epoxy dries to get rid of any excess glue and flatten out any high spots where the ducting might be protruding. So I decided to use 3/32 Lexan for the actual gate so it'll slide freely between the 1/8 inch plywood strips and won't bind when it's sandwiched between the ½ inch plywood. So much for dust collection cutting this stuff. I tried to clean up as much of the squeeze out as I could to prevent the Lexan from binding as the tabs slide along these spacers. Here I'm trying to keep the epoxy on the outside edge to prevent any squeeze out from going into the space where the plexi is sliding. I want my squeeze out to go on the outside, at least that's my plan anyway. I need a handle. So I thought I'd make one out of some scrap walnut I had just laying around the shop. I know I have a lot of these power tools and new dust collection, but I also like using hand tools. And this seemed to be the perfect opportunity to try out my nice chisels and my new Veritas router plane. Look at that, a perfect fit. Using hand tools can be so satisfying. I have lots of trouble with this tracking on this rigid belt sander, so if anybody has any suggestions on how to stop this from happening, please leave them in the comments below. Just doing a little bit of finish sanding here, cleaning up any glue spots that are left over from the build, and getting it ready to see how well a shop-made 6-inch blast gate will work. So no leaking when the blast gate is closed, and full suction when it's open, so I would call this project a success. So today I was supposed to start my miter station build. Instead I got sidetracked with doing a 6-inch blast gate. It is for the miter station. It's for the miter saw. It's for the dust collection there. But tomorrow I will start on my miter station unless I have to build a 4-inch blast gate for the one that broke during the making of this video. Felt like building one instead of ordering one. It seems to be a lot more durable already than the ones that are store-bought. I want metal blast gates for the shop, but don't have them yet. I will be ordering those at some point, or may stick with just making them. I don't know. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you did, feel free to comment, and if you have any questions, ask questions. I will be more than happy to get back to you and answer you. And please hit that like and subscribe button down there. With that, you guys keep on working in the shop.